This, our fraternity was heavily preceded by a series of marathon meetings. And they are ready, no, na maggagawa ng Indigenous Socio-Civil Fraternal Organization sa ating organization, sa ating bansa. Dati vision lang nila yon, no? But ito ay naging na-realize ito, yung kanilang vision ito by the ad hoc committee. Ang mga founders natin, mga kuya at ate, mga prominent members yan sila ng dati ng Manila Lions Club International District 301D. Ibig sabihin, may mga kaya sila ng mga members ng Manila Lions International. And for any fixed agenda, yung discussion nila, meetings, nag-wondered, variety of topics ang napag-usapan, may logical, may insightful, may minsan may pabiruan pa yung kanilang meeting. But none of them, no, hindi nila alam na yun na pala ang inception ng historical rendezvous na mangyayari sa ating bansa, no? So yung ad hoc committee nito ay nagkaroon sila ng usapan na sabi nila kung magkakaroon tayo ng ating organization, ano ba yung ipapangalan natin sa ating organization? So, nagkaroon ng critical choices. May nag-suggest na una ng Damara. Tapos may nag-suggest din ng Gripen. Hindi rin na-aprobahan. May nag-suggest ng Lacan. At may nag-suggest ng Eagles. At yun ang na-aprobahan. Si Kuya Celso Mariano, Kuya Chris Aroca ay naatasan ng mag-research. No? Na kung pwede bang ipangalan sa pangalan ng Ibon. Asa isang organization, pangalan ng Ibon isang organization na kagaya ng binubuo nilang organization. So, a couple of days, Kuya Celso Mariano at si Kuya Chris bumalik sa grupo at nagsabi, pwede palang ipangalan sa pangalan ng Ibon ng isang organization kagaya ng Eagles, dahil itong Eagles is a majestic bird, a very courageous bird, a noble bird, at saka possessed bird with keen foresight. Okay? Alam niyo ba mga kuya natin na ilang miles ang nakikita ng isang agila bago niya dagitin ang kanyang kakainin? This was proven sa Davao, no? Sa Davao Foundation. Pinagtabi yung monkey at saka yung agila. After that, pinaghiwalay sila ng 5 miles away at sabay binitawan. At ang ginawa ng agila, tuloy-tuloy siyang lumipad hanggang sa pagbalik niya, dala-dala niya ang monkey. Another experiment, pangalawang experiment, more than 5 miles na. Bumalik ang agila, wala nang dala. So nagkaroon sila ng conclusion, only 5 miles nang nakikita na isang agila para dagitin niya yung kanyang kakainin. Kaya 5 miles lang yung maximum range ng ng agila. Okay. So the group adopted yung proposed name na ginagamit natin ngayon, yung the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Tandaan niyo mga kuya, yung kanilang ginamit is yung may nakalagay doon na open and close parenthesis Philippine Eagles. Yeah. At saka yung declaration of goals and objectives, yung mission and functions natin, mission and vision, na word na Eagles. that was also founded last June 22, 1979. And was ratified last June 28, 1976 sa UP. These are the 11 members ng ating kuya at ate, ating organization. Una, si Kuya Nilo Rimondo, siya ang tinatawag nating Haring Aguila, the Charter National President of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. Then si Kuya Pedro Balbanero, graduate of the Philippine Military Academy and the advisor of this movement. Si Kuya Celso Mariano, yung literary craftsman natin. Siya yung gumawa na ating ng Magna Carta. Kuya Chris Aroca, yung ever colorful lawyer. Kuya Bert Nolido, kamamatay lang just 2 years ago. He died at the age of 94. Kuya Mel Samson, ito yung isang founder natin na buhay pa. Si Kuya Terry Dumugo, Elio Terry Dumugo, yung father ng ating PL, Eagle Seminar. Si Kuya Eugene Villarena, also died recently, 2 years ago, the age of 94. Kuya Domedado Ordonez, the years of Kuya Nilo Rimondo. And Lorenzo Tolentino, yung nag-design ng first logo natin. At si Kuya Wilson Chu. Yun yung 11 founders natin sa ating fraternity. So Kuya Pedro Balbanero siya nag-recommend kay na si Kuya Nilo muna Kuya Nilo muna ang mamuno sa ating organization, sa ating unang organization. So, si Kuya Nilo took his oath as the Charter National President at yung ating unang club dito sa Pilipinas, mga kuya at ate, yung Quezon City Central Eagles Club. Alam niyo ba na binuhay yun, yung pangalan na yan, ang club na yan, naging New Quezon City Central Sambuhay Eagles Club, na kung saan naging members yung mga anak ng mga founders natin. The Eagles movement spread out and rooted nationally in the decade. Maraming chapters na na-form. Dati ay isa-isa, ngayon pinagsasabay na natin yung chartering, Yung national leadership natin ng 2006 nag-decide na i-register ito sa SEC. At ang kanyang pangalan, the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Open and Close Parenthesis Philippine Eagles Incorporated, at yung principal office ng Quezon City. Yung mga incorporators, mga founders, at past national president ng ating fraternity. Makikita niyo yan. Celso Mariano, Rizal Albert Unido, Mel Samson, Chris Aroca, si Kuya Cesar Dumugo, siya isa sa mga past national president. So past national president at saka mga founders ng ating incorporators. Okay? At nabigyan tayo ng SEC registration last December 4, 2006 with the existence of 50 years. Yan. The purpose of this is to defend and promote, protect yung organization natin as a socio-civic organization. You know why? Bakit natin pina-register ito? Dahil may dating national president na gustong gamitin ito sa negosyo, yung ating organization, at gustong gamitin sa politika. Kaya pina-register natin ito na hindi magiging pagmamayari na isang tao, para hindi na magamit. And then, to support the institution, yung goals and objectives natin na we are not a political movement, but a socio-civic movement. Okay. You know mga kuya at ate, the Eagles fraternity that time was running smoothly. And it was only in 2019 na discover na may same name na surreptitiously registered sa SEC na 2017 by the group of Lucius Sinisa as incorporators. Si Lucius Sinisa was the national president last 2017, no? 2016 and 2017.